Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your WordPress site until it is get ready. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. After that you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, then click on enter. After that you have to simply put in your login credentials there and it will simply take you to a page like this. From here what you need to do is simply click on the pages icon here in the left navigation bar, and from here choose a page that you would like to hide. So let's say I'd like to go for this one. Simply click on the edit option from here, and once you click on the edit option it will simply forward you to another tab. And from here what you need to do is simply click on the status option here in the right hand side. Just simply click on it, and after that you have to simply choose it to the private, and here you can see you have already make it private. Now you have to just simply click on the save icon, and it will take couple of seconds to get to it, and here you can see the page is updated. That means that this page will simply get to private now. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.